Yeah. Whoops. I think I'll hold this with this hand. How about that? Here you go, Charlie. Suck it down, little monster. You want to turn that light on behind you? I have a little more light for the babies.
He's gonna flinch. Watch, he flinches when you do it the first one. But yesterday I took a photo of him and it was dark and I forgot about the flash, and he like ninja swiped at me. He did not like that.
Did you ninja swipe at your mama? Come on, sugar. Suck it down. Because we ain't going to do this snack feed thing. That was your mama's stick. I wish I could get some of the light. There we go. I'll turn you that way a little ways. Come on, little pumpkin. Gotham needs you. You gotta grow strong like your daddy, Batman. You know what I'm gonna do, right?